The other day, we were having trouble with the brake light on the Jeep. And I removed the tail light. And I'll show you what I did to make it work again. Take a number 20 Torx bit. And if you look down in here, is the screws that retain the man, that is tight, to retain the tail light to the body of the vehicle. Just go ahead and loosen them up. Be careful not to drop them if you're like me and work on a dirt surface. Hold on. You can reach in between the tailgate and the body and pull the screw out. And then there's one below. There it is. Well, can I get it in there? Maybe I can. There we go. There we go. Take this one out. And have to just be a little more careful on this one because I can't get my hand in there. And I get my fingers in there though after I got it loose. Just use a little finesse and don't get in a hurry. And you can get it out. Now, we go on the other side here, and you just grab it here and grab it here, and now just like that. Just kind of just pull it out like that. See, this is the one that we're concerned with. Man, that is tight, but it comes out. Unscrew it about a quarter of a turn and just kind of pry them out of there. You can use a little screwdriver or something. Get it in there. Give it a little tweak. This should not be so hard. There we go. Nice rubber seal. Now you see how black that is? The problem is the tail light's on all the time and it just cooks this socket. Just give it a quick yank and the bulb comes right out. But it heats up this socket and it also heats up these little metal tabs in there. So get a test light or something sharp. Get right in between the metal and the body and just kind of push the tab. There you go, and bend them toward one another. And that way, they'll get a tighter connection against the wires. And reinstall it. You see how they're tweaked toward one another now. And that may get you by for a few days. If you see right here, there's some plastic that prevents these tabs from being bent very much. But you can bend them enough, bring them toward one another, and it will help create a better connection. Or you can order a new socket. Let's open this up. There's about $7 for this socket. And I got it on eBay. Let's see if it has a part number on it. Yeah, it's Dorman. It's a Dorman part. 923034. I should. There you go. There's the little part right there. See how clean and pristine that is? Take your old bulb. Snap it together. Take your new socket, and now if you look here, one area is longer than the other, and that corresponds to the socket also. So put it in there properly. Press it down to fit it in. There we go. and give it that little twist, and there you are. We'll do a quick test to see if everything functions properly. Let's set it up here. See if we have brake lights. Let's try to prop this camera up. Well, how am I going to do that? Don't know. It's not being very cooperative. Everything's so slicky. Oh, I know. I'll take my screwdriver. Put the handle in here and wedge the screwdriver between some sheet metal or something under the dash and depress the pedal. And oh look, we don't have brake lights. Why not? There we go, because we didn't have it twisted all the way. The thing is, these tabs right here, they have to correspond to those tabs inside that. And if you'll see, these are two here, they're two here. So you just line it all up, pop it in, give it the full twist, and we got a brake light. Let's don't stress this out. And besides, we need a screwdriver to put it back together. Now, before we finish, we want to look here. See this tab right here? And down here on the tail light, they have to correspond to these holes in the body. And you just kind of look to the side, line them up, and give it a little push. And that's all there is to that, really. This happens to be a magnetic tip, so it will hold the screw to some degree. Carefully. Now, I can't do this together. What you're going to have to do is push on the tail light just a little bit and get the holes lined up into the body. So I got to do that. Alright. See in here the hole and the clip. And this is the body of the tail light. It has to, the screw has to go up in there. And if you got a magnetic tip, it's really helpful. There we go. Give it a little twist. Don't tighten it all the way down yet. And then push on your tail light a little bit and tighten your screws. There, we're done. And you close your tailgate, close the hatch, and the job is done. Hey, I appreciate you watching my videos. Enjoy your day.